Hello everyone, welcome to ecBill. In this video we'll see how to save customer and supplier opening bill balance. First we'll see what is mean by customer supplier opening balance entry. For already running shop, if they are installing new software means this process require. Let's get start with the video now. Go to masters, under that select customer and supplier opening bill entry. In party type select either debtors or creditors. Debtors means customer and creditors means supplier. Now we are going to select debtors and select the particular customer from the list, or you can create new one. Now enter the opening bills. Like bill number, bill date, on what date we billed, bill amount. Here you can either enter individual bills or you make multiple bills. Once done, save it. If you want to edit or delete after saved the entry. Same select customer, make changes like edit or delete and update it. Likewise, we can do it for supplier. Same process. Now you can check in reports. Go to reports, select sales report, in that receivables report. Give process to check the reports. Select either abstract or details report. Same process for purchase. Go to reports, select purchase reports, in that payables reports. If you want to check in detail, you can check bill number wise. Thank you.